Why not be ready for life's unexpected surprises with our 5-year accidental protection plan? And keep your furniture looking beautiful long after delivery. Our plans cover a variety of unexpected things, such as accidental stains, rips, tears, and even burns. What would you do if your beautiful little one spilled her chocolate ice cream cone on your new sofa? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our protection plan. You now have peace of mind if your sofa gets accidentally stained. With just one call, a professional technician will schedule a visit and will clean your beautiful sofa. How about that burn mark you didn't notice until today? Don't worry, you're covered. Call us within 30 days from discovery and we'll take care of it. We'll schedule a professional technician and they will correct the problem. What about your husband's handyman skills? Yes, thankfully, that is also covered. Just remember to call within 30 days from discovery, and an expert technician will take care of it. Don't worry, with our 5-year accidental protection plan, if we can't repair the damage and you qualify, we'll replace it. You now have the freedom to enjoy your beautiful furniture worry-free. We've got you covered.